How to live stream on TikTok. If you want to live stream on TikTok, here's what you need to do. But in some country you can live stream in TikTok every time. Although you not reach 1,000 followers like in my country in Indonesia, you can live stream on TikTok every time. I only have 576 followers and I can go to live. Click on plus icon at the bottom center and slide the camera into live. You can change the thumbnail and add some caption. You can add an effect and other settings. If everything is good, just click on Go Live at the bottom. Live stream on TikTok. But once again, keep in mind, only in some countries you can live stream without reach 1,000 followers like in my country, Indonesia. Okay, so that's all the tutorial on how to live stream on TikTok. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching.